It's hard. Boom. There. Perfect. There we go. Have you ever been on an air flare machine before?
I have not.
You haven't? Alright.
Lots about it.
This little thing, it's suspended up here. It's made by this company right here. If anyone wants to check it out, it's G-Force. They are dope. Alright, so just get on it here. Whoever has this device, where I usually like to put this is like not on your back because it'll strain, it'll pull you into an arc like this. So you want it around your tailbone. This is too high because it's on your back, it's on your lumbar. You want it just right here. So this,
I see.
So right where around your tailbone is.
On the tailbone.
Ish, yeah.
Ish.
Because that way, see, when I can actually sit in it and it's not on my back. Some people who've tried this, they put it right on their back. Oh! Trust the machine. You trust it. You know, whoever sets this up, set it up where you trust it because you're going to put your weight onto it. So you want to start off like a swing, open your legs here.
Oh.
Yep. And just like that. So that's how you want to start yourself off. It feels weird when you start it, but what you want to do not relax your arms. Your face will hit the hit the floor.
Oh, really?
Yeah. No, not really,
That's
but
a little bit scary.
yeah, that is kind of scary, but no, it won't hit. See? But anyway, so keep your arms strong. Generate a little bit of torque with your waist. There's a trick to it. You don't just put your hand behind your back. See, if you do that, it'll just pull you up like this. So what you want to do is here, I'm gripping the ground with my fingers. And you actually, it's like you're wiping your forehead. Here, wipe your forehead, down. Here, wipe your forehead. And you can't go too slow either because it also won't work. So you turn, like that. So, if you, and I think for you, to make it less scary, you just do a whole bunch of L kicks. Some over here, L kick, L kick, L kick. Because it'll also keep you in the harness too. And to get out, just like that.
Here we go.
Alright.
Tailbone.
Yeah, ish. If you need to go higher because it's safer, then that's fine too.
And then just do like a
Yep.
flip reverse.
Yep. Keep your legs open. There we go. Straighten out. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, and do a little twerk.
Yep.
L kick.
Grab your foot and open your chest. Yep, and then other side.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm stuck.
There you go. So you see, like, there we go. Go.
I think I'm stuck again.
Come back up. So remember that thing over there we're talking about with the no hesitation?
Oh.
So it's 1, 2.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because if you just do this without the machine, like you'll catch yourself, but then it's like it's really heavy.
Yeah.
So you actually throw both arms, just 1,
Boom, boom.
2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's try this one. Okay, do the Spider-Man thing. Oh crap. Alright, here we go.
It's that thing about leading with the right leg. It says you can't whip on this machine. Oh,
Ah. Oh snap.
Engage the arms more. Or do that.
Oh crap.
You're catching and launching with your arms bent like this. And I know you're kind of doing that on the grass too. You don't have elbows.
Yeah.
Just imagine you don't have elbows. And just stick.
Should I do the grab again?
You don't have to grab, you just reach towards that way so that you can roll over.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you put your hands a little closer together? Yeah. And then turn your arms. See your hands like this. You want more lateral control, so turn out your hand like this. This is good. This is overkill, but it works really good when you're not on the machine. But this should be good. Diagonal. Yeah, because then you get to pivot if you need it. Yep. Keep it straight. Boom. See how lightly you put your hand down? There's no weight. So when you put your hand down, boom, put it down.
Okay.
Yeah. Turn. Go. Yes. Go. There we go.
Rooting for you.
Yeah, he is. Here we go. Alright. So the next one, when you put down your left hand, use it for thrust too. You know how when you the first, second arm, like you know when you do a round off, you go round off and right. So we're gonna use the left hand as your punch, and when you punch in, and that way. So you like you're pushing yourself like that. Because when we do that for a windmill too. We're here.
Oh, like
and then
before
we push.
I take off, right?
Yeah, before you take off, sir. Boom, and you take this hand, push like that, push. Yeah, you can even use this. When I do my air flares, I actually use this hand to push me onto this hand too. So I'm actually using both hands to get my weight over.
And then reach over.
Yeah, so it's boom, like that. See, because I'm putting it here. Once I put it, I'm pushing like that to keep the momentum going. Yep. And give me my reason to stay here. Yeah. Turn it back around.
So, boom.
Yep. Yeah. Woo. Keep those legs spread. Feel good?
Yeah.
That felt pretty
I got,
cool,
like,
huh?
Phantom G-force.
It is.
Syndrome. It feels like it's still here.
Yeah. So you just translate that right onto the floor. So how does your chest feel?
I mean, it feels like a bird.
Okay, so
Type of thing.
when you try on here, it's a great place to exercise it. Exaggerate. See like how far you can get this. Because when we do it there, it's so fast. But on here, you can take your time with it and use the tool. This helps you hold it for longer and just like have a little more spatial awareness, you know? And try experimenting with like throwing your right hand down stronger. Not faster, but like.
Okay.
Yeah. What was I saying? Throwing your hand down faster and what?
Stronger.
Stronger? I can't remember.
Harder, better, faster, stronger.
Yes. Work it. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So throw the hand down harder. Oh, the stretch. So normally I just go, right?
Yeah.
On here, what you can do is you can test it out. How far can you go? Because then, yeah, you find out like where it hurts and you won't do it anymore. Then you can feel what I mean when you're driving your left leg. You're not whipping it, but when you go right and drive your left leg, you start speeding up too. Test it out, yeah. Open it, go. Ooh. Hey, trust it, man. Jazz. Oh shoot, you okay?
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know what happened.
Oh, I'm glad you caught yourself. Whew. Oh, I see. If you go too slow, it won't work either. Yeah. Better. Does that feel better? Yeah. Whoa. Don't air flare until I say so, okay? So here, boom, hold yourself. Oh, come, I see what's happening. If that's what you're doing, I see what's making it hard. So what we're doing is, once this hand here, we're putting a lot of strength into it to hold it up. It's a freeze. Yeah. So, stay there. So you're freezing. Open your chest. I'm gonna hold you so you won't fall. All right, so make a T. Go. Yeah. There. It's surprisingly still tiring.
Yeah.
You know, people who look at this and go, oh, it's super easy.
Should we try it again out there?
If you want.
Hi. This is the last air flare of the day.
Hey, commit. It's easy.
It's easy.
It's easy.
Alright, here we go.
Okay, that was you're getting ready. Alright, you're getting ready. Hey, last one, best one. Last one, best one, come on. One and done. Whew. Are you done? Are you done?
No, it's still easy.
It's still easy.
It's kind of a back flop, like
Yeah.
a belly flop, but on my back.
You're testing. All right, okay. Go. Where's that left leg?
I forgot about it.
It's a two-handed move. Two-handed move. Two hands, then go. Two hands, then go. Right here.
Chickens give me strength.
Chickens give you strength. Protein. Nice 90. Open your chest. Open. Open your chest. Let's go here. Open. You're rushing.
Here's the last one.
Last one.
It won't be itchy.
Nice catch. No scoop. No scoop. Scoop. Follow that right leg. Your right leg is scooping well. Good star boy. Ooh. You get a ton of rest.
Alright.
Alright.
I think that's one too many air flares for one day.
Never too many air flares.
I need to go practice and get this down. Peter, thank you for the wonderful air flares.
Dude, always.
Shout out to G-Force for selling this machine to Peter and me kind of doing air flares.
Alright. One more? One more.
One more.
One more, Vince. One more, Vince.
Live and uncut. Wait, I need some music.
Let's have a breakdance party.
Wait, I need that song again.
Break dance. Break dance. Break dance all night. Oh my gosh.
Do that windmill on the elbow.
On the elbow.
Okay, I think you're done.
I'm done with these air flares. I'm done with this air flare.
I think you're done.
I think he's pooped.
I think he's pooped.
I'm not the ish. I'm just ish.
All right. And cut.
Goodbye.